Hey guys, just relaxing here a little bit, and I was thinking about something here. So, you know, I've had my distributor problems. If you haven't seen the distributor issues that I've had, just go back and look at the videos. I got lots of them, and there's a new one that kind of cropped up. So, you know, I think that the distributors, and I'm not going to mention names on this one because I know you guys think that's bad publicity, or not bad publicity, defamation. And I'm not here to defame anybody. These big corporations, they can handle it, so they can just suck it up. But the two that I've had issues with, if you watch the videos. So I got another beef with them. They think that us contractors don't talk amongst each other. Like, I'm in this little HVAC contractor bubble, and I don't talk to any of the other HVAC contractors in my region. But there couldn't be anything further from the truth. So there's something that they told me, and this is the largest distributor. Well, maybe it's not the largest, but they've been around a long time. I'm just going to call them G, okay? Their name starts with a G. So, it's pretty pathetic that I can go on supplyhouse.com, Amazon, smaller private party parts suppliers, and get much cheaper pricing than I get from my local distributor, right? I want to support the local distributor because they're employing local people, et cetera, et cetera. It's the right thing to do, right? Well, they told me something, I don't know how long ago it was. I mean, it's probably been more than once. But they, I was getting prices cheaper from, let's call them J, okay? So J and G. And I go, hey, they're giving me this product for this price. Can you guys match that? And the outside sales rep flat out told me, he goes, sorry, we don't price match. And, back to me talking to other contractors, I know damn well they do. They just won't do it for a one-man band like me. So I'm really pissed off that I have to keep buying stuff from, from online sources or somebody else who wants to take better care of me. I buy a lot of stuff, not like the bigger companies do. They sell a lot of boxes. I don't. I sell my jobs here and there, and I think I'm still a good customer. So the bottom line is, don't lie to me and tell me that you don't price match when I know for a fact that other contractors tell me that they will match pricing that they'll find online. Another contractor I talked to a lot told me that G and J, I'm not gonna say their names, price matched some stuff for him, for his company, that he found on Supply House. He goes, yeah, they price match Supply House, no problem. They tell me that they don't do that, right? Not even for another local distributor. Pretty crazy, huh? So why are you doing it for them and not for me? Because I don't move enough boxes? Trying to make up the difference maybe on me? I don't get get the gist of that. What the hell's going on there? So yeah, more distributor issues, more things that it just pisses me off that they treat me this way. So I have to vent somewhere. I can't just talk to myself. Talk to myself and keep it inside. I need somebody to tell it to. And people in the HVAC industry understand this type of stuff, or any contractor for that matter, is that you should not have to barter every month. You raise my price. Meanwhile, Supply House or whatever online, gives me stuff at a great price. Why do you guys keep raising your stuff up when they aren't? I've watched my Supply House price. I've watched the cheap pricing on Amazon. If they can afford it, I know they're not moving as much stuff as you guys are. Why can't you give me that pricing too? Don't lie to me and tell me that you can't price match, because I know you do it for lots of other contractors, just not me. So I know you guys are tired of hearing me bitch about it, but that's just one other thing for me to gripe about. Because you got to treat everybody the same way. You can't just single me out because I happen to not like you. I chewed them out, but it's only because they started it first and they wouldn't do things for me and lie to me straight to my face. I'm honest with them 100%. So I just wanted to say that real quick. Just another thing that ticked me off today when I was thinking about, I had to go on, I don't know what site. I was on Amazon. I got those cheap traps, right? I can get 3 of those online for what my local distributor, we'll call them G&J, charges me for 1. And that's only one part. I can go on Supply House, or I can go on Amazon and find everything cheaper. Why can I get everything cheaper there? It doesn't make any sense. So they wonder why I'm buying less stuff from them. Well, that's why. So I just want to get that out there. Tell me what your guys' experiences are, because we shouldn't have to, get stuff cheaper at a click of a mouse. I want to support the local guys. I really do. So I just want to say that. And, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do. I know it sounds like I'm bitching all the time, but man, something's going to change about this. And the little guy shouldn't be getting the shaft. This is what built America, is the small businesses. Don't cater to the big guy. All right, guys.